Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live classes. This is all about your revision assignment. You are going to write your exams after you have the revision going on. So you need to be very thorough with your lesson, then you can go for your exam. So this we are going to help you with some assignments which you can just recapitulate, recollect and make sure that you understand the concept thoroughly. Let's begin the assignment. Lesson 1 and 2 Sadhana worksheet. Okay, lesson 1 and 2 sadhana worksheet. This is, you have the very short questions and the long questions, right? So this is all we are going to do, the very short questions and the long questions. So here, name the 3 periods of the Stone Age. Name the 3 periods of the Stone Age. What you have the 3 periods for your Stone Age? You have Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and the New Stone Age period. So these 3 Stone Age periods are called Stone Age period. Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age period. These 3 Stone Age periods are called as Stone Age period. This comes here, the answer. We are going to do it. Let's go for the next one. What are the initial clothing known to the early man? So early man, initially they were just very uncivilized. They never used to wear any clothes actually. Slowly they realized that they need to protect their skin with whatever availability they have surroundings. It can be the leaf or the bark of the trees. That's how they used to cover their body. Later on, when the periods were just moving on or just going on, they started covering their body with the skin clothes also. Okay, animal skin. So let's write the answer. So the 3 periods of Stone Age are Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age. As I said, Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age. So here old, the fire was discovered. In the Middle Stone Age, the weapons were very sharply polished so that they can kill the animals. And coming to the New Stone Age, the wheel was discovered. That's how the pottery was discovered, and they started cultivating the food crops and everything. So a lot of changes in the New Stone Age period. Is it clear? Now coming to that, what are the initial clothing known by the early man? The initial clothing known by the early man was made of leaves and barks of the trees. As I said, they used to cover with the leaves and the barks. Is it clear, children? So that what I said, lately they discovered that they can even cover their body with the animal skin, dead animal skins. Let's go for the next set of questions. Difference between needs and wants. Difference between needs and wants. What is needs and what is want? Need, when you feel hungry, you want to eat something, right? A need which is very essential for us, which is very important, the basic needs for us. What are the basic needs? Food, clothes and shelter. Without that, we can't sustain our life. And what is want? Wants which make us more comfortable, I don't like the plasma TV, I want the more advanced TV. Okay, I don't like what you can say, the marble flooring, I want the wooden flooring. So the needs will change you. The needs will be very important for your, essential for your life, and wants will change when the days keep on going. So there is no limitation for the wants. When you earn more money, you want more. Okay, today this TV, today is that, another mobile, every day there's a new version of mobiles. That's what the wants. Okay, so what is more necessary? The needs, which is basic needs like food, clothing, right? Food, clothing and shelter. Okay, now coming to the fourth one. How did the early man lead a nomadic life? What is nomads? Nomads are the people who, they won't stay at one place. They move from one place to another place. Even now also, if you go interior into the jungles, you find the tribal people, they move from one place to another place in search of food. They do the shifting cultivation. What is shifting cultivation? You are going to learn in the classes when you promote to the higher classes. Okay, they move from one place to another, they wander from one place to another place in search of food and the water. So those people are called as nomads. So let's write the answer. Needs. The things that are essential for our existence are known as needs. The things that are essential for our existence are known as needs. Essential. The example is, our basic needs are food, shelter and clothes. what are the basic needs? Food, shelter and clothes. So this is very essential. Without that we can't sustain, we may die. Without food we can't exist, right? So coming to wants, the things which we acquire to live more comfortably are known as wants. Okay, we have all these things, but we want more comfortable things. We want the designer clothes. Okay, we want Puma shoes, we want that. Everyone now, they look for the brand names. That is, they just want to showcase themselves. That's what more comfortably, the luxurious life. Okay, the things which are acquired to live more comfortably are known as wants. So what is the example under that? Our wants may be better house, job or clothes. Is it clear, children? What is the difference between needs and wants? Just coming to the fourth question. How did the early man lead the nomadic life? As I said right now, the early man led a nomadic life and wandered from place to place in search of food and shelter. So they used to move from one place to another place for the food and shelter and for the water. He lived in tree holes, on the tree branches, in caves and deep inside the forest. They used to live on the branches. If there is any hole in the trees, they used to take the shelter in that, or any natural caves are there, they used to take the shelter in that. That's how they used to live. He collected fruits, berries, nuts, vegetables and honey for food. The early man also hunted animals for flesh. So they used to eat berries, nuts. You just think the way they have lived, they used to do all the experiments on them, you know. They may also die. Sometimes whatever the berries they used to eat, it might be a poisonous one. That's how they discovered this is a nuts which is eatable and this is not eatable. So you just think fortunately we are not in that era. We are in present. Okay, people have just come across so many decades. Now we are living very comfortable life, right? This is what comfortability. And that time that was need for them. They started discovering everything. Okay, and the early man also hunted animals for the flesh. Is it clear, children? So this is what you have the assignment. So I hope you're thorough with your lesson, you're perfect with your lesson, you're reading your lesson thoroughly and you're making yourself for your examination. So read thoroughly and write your test. Very good, children. Thank you.